Well, this is part two. We've made some changes to the shed. If you guys didn't watch the first video, go back and check it out. But I was doing some organizing in here. We had no shelving anywhere to put anything. I need to build a lean-to for the lawnmower. But let me show you guys what we got going on here. Walk over here. For now, this is my temporary lighting. Turn that on. And let's see if I can show you guys some of what we've done in here. We have our built-in shelves, 3-foot high bench, 3 shelves in the corner, 3 shelves in this corner, and I also added some overhead LED lights that my customer gave me. Actually, what I did was I ran a 10-gauge wire from my house. It's an extension cord over here to a 6-way plug, and I had an old extension cord, so I took that old extension cord and cut it off from the plug and left a long enough length to run from my outlet up through the wall. I come up here and I ran over to this first LED light, and then we tied into that, and then we jumped the wire from there back to the second LED light, tied into that, and then we jumped the wire from that one and ran it over and tied into this third light. That way I can walk in here and just turn this switch on to this 6-way and we'll have power. Now, of course, everything's a mess right now. I'm still in the process of organizing. I have, in the future here soon, we're going to put a pegboard back here so we can hang tools and things on that. Let me show you. Yesterday, this is my wife's corner of the garage over here. I built her a shelf over here, which is, we got an 18-inch corner shelf that runs around. And then we have a 14-inch shelf right above that, so she can put her fishing gear and her various tools and things like that. If I can spin you around here. She also needed a place to hang her fishing poles. She likes to fish, so sorry about the bouncing around, guys. See if I can get you in position here. Built these custom racks. See if I can get you over here so you can see them, what they look like. They're just made out of plywood, and you cut a pattern. You got your hole, your latch, so we can hang our poles on here. Made those. And turn around, and my wife for Christmas, oops, I'm not exactly the best cameraman, so bear with me. I got her stand-up toolbox, which has all the nice Craftsman toolbox. It has an outlet plug at the top. That way we can sort tools and stuff in there. Also, I just did a little hanger up here to hang plywood and boards and things like that, which is quite simple. You just take a couple 2x4s and build your little H, hang it from your rafters, put them about 4 foot apart, and then you can slide. What I did was slide a piece of plywood in there, and then I can stack everything else on top. That way, had somewhere to put all the extra wood. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Just some various things here and there. Quite simple, easy things. You don't have to go out and spend a bunch of money. Like this for my tools here, I just took a 2x4 and put some screws in there to hang it on. For the weed eater, I just screwed a board to the 2x4s and hang the weed eater on it. You don't need to spend a lot of money when you're trying to organize your garage. There's a lot of things you can do with spare wood that you have. Like the hanger that I built. That workbench over there was just wood I had laying around. Of course, the big workbench, I've spent money on that one, but not a lot. I think the most expensive thing in here besides my tools and the lawnmower is that daggone toolbox. They're not cheap, but whatever keeps her happy. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated.